guys, it's time to do another showcase. Today we have one of my flowers, and this one I really love. The contrast that was created with the different colors just really came out awesome, as well as I think the use of this brown background really made a difference. I'm going to get up close. This is a 10-inch by 10-inch professional grade canvas. I have brought it outside so that the sunshine, which we finally have some of today after many days of dreariness. I'm so happy to see it out today, and it sure does help with showing the beauty of this flower. I haven't come up with a title as of yet. I'm sure I will come up with something before I post it. I always do. This will be added to my Etsy shop when I get a chance. I'm tempted to keep it myself though, I'll be honest. I absolutely love this one. I hope you guys like it too. I will bid you farewell for today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.